Welcome to the English classroom. Today I am going to teach English literature and my topic is Merchant of Venice by William Shakespeare. Now students, in my last video I discussed about the character. Today I am going to do line to line explanation. Clear all of you? Line to line explanation is very necessary, otherwise you will not understand anything. Okay? Act 1, Scene 1. Now, where does the scene take place? The scene takes place in Venice, a street. Enter Antonio, Salarino, and Salanio. Now, Salarino and Salanio, these two are chorus characters. They always remain together, and their duty is to give news from here to there. Clear? Class 8. You all are newcomer, therefore follow line to line very nicely. Okay, this whole scene takes place in Venice. Okay, it's the name of a place. It is in Italy. Okay, Antonio. Now, Antonio, the very first character, is the rich merchant of Venice. He's telling that, in sooth, I know not why I am so sad. In sooth means truly. Truly, he does not know that why he is sad. Antonio is sad and he does not know the reason behind it. It varies me. He's telling that the sadness varies him. Varies means depression. Okay? He is depressed by his sadness. You say it varies you. He's telling to Saladino that you are also depressed by your sadness. In the same way, I am also getting depressed because of my sadness. But how I caught it means how the sadness came to me, found it, from where the sadness has come or come by it, what stuff it is made up of, from what stuff the sadness is made up of, whereof it is born, where the sadness is born. I am to learn. Means I have to learn, I have to find out the reason from where the sadness has come. I myself do not know about my sadness. And such a want-wit sadness. Want-wit means dull fellow. This sadness is making me a dull fellow, that I have much to ado to know myself. Because of this sadness, I cannot know myself. Look at the last line, what Antonio is telling, that he cannot even recognize himself because of his sadness. After listening to Antonio's speech, Saladino is replying. What is Saladino replying? Your mind is tossing on the ocean. Listen, Saladino is guessing and telling. When Antonio does not know that why he is sad, how can Saladino know? Isn't it? Therefore, he is guessing and giving him a reply that as his ship is in the ocean, on the ocean, therefore might be he is sad because his ship is tossing on the ocean. There, where your argosies. Argosies means ship, large ships. Portly cell means grand cell. Okay, Signius. Signius means gentlemen, and rich burghers means rich citizens. Now he's telling that your ship is in the ocean and they're compared with Signiers and rich burghers, means with rich citizens and rich gentlemen. These two are keywords. Or as it were the pageant of the sea. Your ship is such a grand as if it is the show of the sea. Do overpeer the petty traffickers. Overpeer means overlook. Petty traffickers means small ship. Your ship is ignoring the small ship. Salarino wants to tell that Antonio has a grand ship and the grand ship is ignoring all the petty traffickers. In the same way as the rich citizens ignore the poor citizens, in the same way Antonio's rich ship is ignoring the small ship. That courtesy to them do them reverence, and all the smaller ships which are passing by Antonio's ships are bowing their head and respecting Antonio's ship. And after listening to Salanio's reply, Salanio is giving a speech. Now, what is Salanio telling? Salanio is telling, believe me, sir, had I such a venture for, and Salanio is telling that, believe me, sir, if I had such a financial venture in danger, the better part of my affection, means better part of my thinking would be in the sea only. I would not given any notice here and there. Or every time I've thought about the ship and the sea, I should be still plucking the grass to know where is the wind. And I would have been plucking the grass, okay, to find out in which direction the wind is blowing. And why would I have done all this thing? Because of tension, okay. Peerings in map for port and piers and roads. And I would have been peering the maps to see where ports and piers are there, so that my ship could halt and take rest. And every object that might make me fear misfortune to my venture out of doubt would make me sad, and all the things which are danger to my ship I would have make me sad. Look, in this first three paragraph, or you can tell speech, Antonio is telling about his sadness, and Salerno is giving answer. Okay, and the next video I will continue with the next part. Okay, read this again and again, because unless and until you read, you will not be able to follow anything. Okay, read this again and again, and obviously you will understand. Goodbye, and we will meet in the next video.